Hey there, this is episode 7 of my Shenzhen IO Let's Play. This is actually the old project I just finished for the laser tag equipment. I'm thinking about it. I don't know how I can do this side any better. But maybe. I didn't realize these things only cost a single yuan. But if I put one of these over here somewhere, I don't know if I can make it work or not. I mean, sure, there's these three things, which I could hook up theoretically to these three things. See, over here I wanted to use an actual chip so that I could have a constant output, which I don't know if this really handles so well. But I would need to hook this up to something, which would then have to just kind of listen for output from this. And then once it gets it, it would have to kind of go through a somewhat long process to figure out, you know, take the value of it, put it into ACC and DAT, and then I pull a digit out, look at it, figure out what it is, and then take action based on that. Actually, maybe it wouldn't all be all that hard. Oh shit. I do kind of wonder though. I'd have to rewrite all the code to keep track of how much ammo I have, which isn't really all that much, I realize, but I don't want to deal with that right now. Anyway. Here we go, color changing vape pen. Let's jump into it. Okay. I don't know what this is. This is clearly a radio transmitter receiver. I guess these are LEDs? Maybe? Alright. RX is non-blocking. RGB, simple outputs connected to an ultra bright tricolor LED. Red, green, blue. Okay. So I'll get a data packet. Okay, so I'm receiving 4-digit packet, which I didn't specifically know I could actually do 4-digit packets. I mean, alright, so that's kind of something else, but I should take another look at this, just for things, but okay, so I could use something like this. That could potentially be helpful. I don't know. What was the thing I was looking for? So I suppose these are just examples. Well, no, wait. I literally don't know how to store a 4-digit number. I mean, okay, so I'm actually getting things mixed up. I don't need to store a 4-digit number. I just need to deal with each one of these as they come in. Alright, let's look at how big a number can I store in these things. Well, they can store at least 2-digit numbers, apparently. $1000p is apparently read-only. Alright, whatever. So, this almost looks like it'll be really easy. Okay, wait. Looking at this, it appears as though... Wait, it's red, green, blue. So red is 0. Okay, green is the same, so it doesn't change. But I mean, yeah, as soon as I start receiving a signal, all 3 colors are supposed to change. It's just that sometimes there isn't a change from one group to the next. So this almost seems like it should be simple. Actually, this seems like the perfect opportunity to use one of these. I don't know why it's not recommended. Because, I mean, I can just read this, say, okay. Well, no, because... Well, wait. RGB is a simple output, which is what these are. I can't... It's hard to do that many simple outputs with these chips. The thing is, I don't know how to do intensity with this. Like, I can turn these on or off. So I'm going to need like 3 different chips, which I guess is fine, actually. Maybe that's not so bad. Alright. do away with that for now. So I'm gonna have a thing over here. I can't. Okay. Do I actually want 3 of these? I guess. I actually can't do. Well, I could. I want to try it this way though. I can shorten that up though. Alright, we'll wait for X1. And once it turns on, it's going to give me 0, 50, 199, right? Or 999. You know, this would just be easier with 3 chips. Oh, I can't fucking move that there, though. Fuck you. Okay. So again, like, this doesn't seem like it's going to be all that difficult, but so I get something. So I move X1 on XO, move X1 on X3, move X1 on X2. Sure. What am I missing? It can't be this easy. I mean, it's correct like most of the time, I guess. Maybe not. Alright. Oh, okay. It's even more wrong somehow. Okay, wait. Test if... I meant less than 0. What? Alright, so... it's getting nothing. Oh, I did the wrong thing again. I haven't said anything about it before, but what's caught me off on a handful of occasions, several times, is It's just the way this cursor works. It obscures digits. I much prefer my cursor to just be a line, so then I know where it's working. Because this, it's like, instinctually, I don't know if it's going to delete the S or the space before the S. And then like it does before the S, but then like I can't see properly what I actually changed and things, and it's just fucking weird. Alright, what's going on here? So, it's not doing anything with the no input, but then it gets a 0. And so it moves. Wait, it did nothing with the 0. Why did it do nothing with 0? Test if less than 0. It's not, therefore. Do I not sleep for it? I guess not. It's non-blocking. It's still not working though. It's 0. Okay. What? What just happened? It ignores that one. Cool. I want it to send 0 down XO, and then 50 down X3, and then 100 to X2. Wow, okay. So I'm just like behind on stuff. And then why did it drop both of those to 0? So it ignores the 50, sends 100 there, and a 50 there. And a 4 there. I'm forgetting the pulse duration. Fuck. Okay. Okay. I do want to use one of these. Oh, I can only connect it so many times though. Fuck. All right. It needs to respond immediately. I guess what I can do is just kind of take this out. So then this receives a signal. But then it has to pull the next signal out. Duration? Pulse duration. I don't... A duration of 999? How the fuck would I make it obey that? Yeah, so that part of this task went completely over my head. Alright, let's just try this. Oh. What happens? Seriously? It gets to... What? How the fuck does that happen? Oh my god, why is it going that way? How do you explain this change? Because I don't get it. I like being able to see stuff. Alright, so... Why does 999 persist? What? Previously, when I was doing tests, it would test the 999 part or not, or it would instantly send 0 and then instantly send 50 and then instantly, I mean, it would try instantly sending stuff, but it would already have moved on. Previously, when executing this line, it'd be reading -999. By the time it got to this line, it would already be receiving 0. And then it'd be receiving 50. So why is it just receiving 999 the entire fucking time? What fucking happened? Is it this? Is it this test? What the hell did I have in here before? I'm pretty sure this is all I had. Alright, what if I just have... I mean, that's like not gonna work, but... I'm clueless. I am fucking clueless. I don't know why the tests are behaving differently now. In? What the hell does it mean, in? What the fuck is this in? I swear to God, I've never seen that. Is it just struggling because it's just trying to move something that isn't there yet? In any case, it failed to do all that. So now it's reading 0, so it should move 0. Cool. It moved 50 and it moved 100 properly. And it stays like that, as it should. No, okay. So I need to have these tests. Oh, fuck you. I had the thing in there. Locked on read. Oh, well, I forgot to do that part. Why? What? Gets the negative number and ignores it. Great. It gets sent 50. Okay, so I guess I'm just doing this shit out of order. I need to move it to ACC first. And then okay, I'm so confused. I need to watch this video again. Why was it initially doing things wrong? Like on this side, it was reading 0, moving on to the next line, sending 50 here, then sending 100 here, and then sending 999 here. And I'm not aware I did anything here to like change stuff. I mean, I tried, but it didn't work. And so I thought I just moved it back, except now it's sending things to the right places. Well, at least until... Why is red wrong? Get 0, 50, 100. Okay. It's not getting anything. Oh, it took the fucking duration? Okay. All right. I don't know why it's receiving 999, but this thing says I'm only between 0 and 50. Oh, I guess because all of this is sent at once here. It's not... This is sort of misleading the way this arrow is between those two numbers. It's not even like directly in between them. But anyway, okay, so... Just to see if it gets the things correct. What do I do about 999? Can I just kind of like put that? Apparently. So they're changing, right? I have no fucking clue how to program durations. I only do durations by having them sleep. Okay, I guess we could do a thing Ah, fuck, it's already using ACC though. I was thinking, you know, something like this. If this was over there, then I could have it basically do this, and then before sleeping, this would send the duration to all three of them, and then each one of these would read the duration and put that into DAT, and then after every sleep it would just subtract one from DAT, and then I could have a test of like, if DAT is 0, then stop sending a signal. I'm also trying to think of ways I could like use one of these things and like put the duration in here, and then each one of these would need to look at this. So I'd like dump the duration, and then each time it sleeps, it would subtract the duration. And then each one of these would just look at this, and they'd all be able to read the same thing. And just, oh, if this is equal to 0, stop sending the signal. But I can't do that. There's not enough space. There's not enough outputs on this thing. There's not enough space to put all the wires I would need for something like that. They're saying all these parts are not recommended. I don't fucking know why. Granted, I still don't know what most of them do. Okay. Hold on. This should have been more obvious. I don't need each one of these to handle the duration. The duration is constant across all of them. So yeah, I move the thing into the DAT. And then check if DAT is 0. If it is, move 0 on all of these. Actually, instead of DAT, let's make it ACC. And then I can just sub 1. But it didn't get the right duration. Somehow it's reading -999, which, like, I think I understand because of reasons. Yeah. It'd be great if I could, like, step backward. So it sends 0, sends 50, sends 100. Okay, so instead of having ACC overwritten, the next time it happens, Test if ACC is less than 0. If it is not, move ACC to DAT. Sure. Oh my god, what? What? Okay. Before I added those lines, it would go through before I added those lines, it goes through the cycle once. Great. And then it sends all the things I need to. Alright, so what if I add a thing? Oh, okay. I don't know if this will work still, but... Okay. Still doesn't read durations. At all. I don't know why. I mean, it's sending 100 to X2. Immediately after that, it should grab the duration, right? Which should be in there. And then I don't know why it would not work after that. So it goes through everything, fine, whatever. Goes through, sends that, sends that, sends that, assigns that. Cool. I don't want to test X1. I want to test ACC. These are all supposed to be minus. Okay. Wait. No, these are all supposed to be plus. If 0, cancel it. Otherwise, let it keep going. So it jumps to the end. Cool. Sends one value, value 2, value 3. Records the duration. Why is this part necessary? This one line? I don't know. It's not less than 0. Oh, right. Therefore, it doesn't need to jump to the end. So I move AC to C. I'll record it to the data file. But it's not 0. So that's fine. Okay, I see what I'm doing here. Move that to that. Test that. Move that to that. Okay. Still not getting durations. Sends 1, sends 2, sends 3. Stores the duration. Great. That's exactly how I want it to work. It's not subbing 1. Okay. Is that all I need to do? No. All right. So I get a new batch of values. Sends one of them, sends the second one, sends the third. Records the duration. Great. And it's not less than 4, so it records the duration. The duration is not 0, so it kind of goes to the end. Okay, except so I think I changed that by mistake when I wasn't supposed to. Nope. Why the fuck? I think I have commands out of order here. Because it's not reading the duration. Alright, so it doesn't need to do anything there. Gets the duration, puts it in DAT. Fuck, okay. Oh, you know what? I'm making that mistake. I have an extra line of code to work with. So, if I then move that into ACC, does this need to be there? I feel like it doesn't. Okay, it's not reading the duration. So, puts duration in data, puts the duration in ACC. Oh no, I don't want it. Yeah, okay. Can I just Control Z that? I can. Okay. I need to test this. No! Fuck. How do I do this? Alright, so it reads the duration, puts it in here. I'm failing to wrap my head around this. I need it to do this stuff. But selectively. What if this is just in the wrong place? If dat is not less than 0, put that there. Why do I need to jump to the end? Oh, probably because it's gonna fuck up everything the first time it tries to send information. Oh my god. This is not at all what I want it to do. Fuck. It's just gonna do alterations. What? But ACC was less than -1. Or it's only now less than negative? I don't fucking know. Alright, so these are wrong. I guess. If I receive 0, I want to send to 0. So test if less than no, because when I receive the value, it gets sent as long as it's not negative. If less than 0, if negative, do nothing. If not negative, send it. Where does it get hung up? Gets hung up when duration runs out. This is why I hate ACC or XBus so fucking much. In any case, I was kind of thinking. I changed this to -1 so that it's not giving me errors like all the fucking time. But if I added a couple lines of code somewhere, maybe I could like change the baseline of it. So like I moved that to ACC. And then add 1. Or something. And then if this is less than 2. Right? Theoretically. Oh my god. What? That's less than. Okay. Alright, instead of saying less than 2, why not test if equal to 1? Of course. Alright, so I think that works. It's just this error again. How the fuck do I resolve XBus shit? Because these are all waiting on this to be able to go to sleep. I don't know, what if I input another command to wait for XO? What if I just repeat the whole thing? Just in case of something. I don't know, dude. It worked once. It did. It turned off here when it was supposed to. Why isn't it turning off here as well? It's still just XBus is being a fucking asshole, huh? So it just kind of goes through. Alright, cool. It all restarts. Just kind of goes normally. Counts down to the duration. Okay. It's doing everything normally. What, oh what, is the difference between it crashing here versus crashing here? I mean, it's a duration of 4. In both situations, it counted down. Over here, it worked. Over here, it doesn't. I suppose it's something to do with me having these two weights Like, okay, theoretically, if I could input another batch of this shit, it would work. Oh, fucking course, the card is too big and it doesn't fit. Fucking stupid. I just want to test it. So it gets here. Cool. Oh look, it's off. We'll send that. Oh, I forgot to remove the sleep. Okay. Of course, this might fuck up something else somewhere else. I don't know. Kinda betting though. Kinda betting. It's able to turn off its signal. Oh my god, I hate XBus. Well, I mean, this is the thing, right? Yeah. At least I know I don't need to double that code. I need to find something else. Because see, if I don't sleep, then it's just not going to work. If I sleep this twice, it's probably not going to work. What do I have to lose by trying? Yep, it's just late on everything. Does sleep have to be at the end? What if it's not? I don't fucking know. Oh, you know what? TCP could probably be useful somewhere. Not in this particular project, but like maybe for the laser tag thing. Maybe. Maybe not. I probably could have found a use for it somewhere. If I was aware of it. So only if there's a difference does it do stuff. What if I used some sort of jump thing in here? And, what if right at the beginning of this, I added a line, some sort of test. Like, test if ACC is 1. If not, jump down somewhere else. If so, do all this stuff. How would that help though? Alright, so this is going through. Well, it would help because then if it is time to turn off the signal, it would read these before these. So what I'd want is, if it's time to read the signal, or time to end the signal, don't do this at all. Okay. How would I do that? Alright, let's just... I don't know, man. Alright. If ACC is 1, well, if ACC is not well, wait, I guess I wouldn't need a jump thing. I could just put that in. I don't know. Of course it won't let me do anything with this here. I would so love for bigger notes to exist. Come on. Still crashes. If the duration is over, jump end. I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know if there's ever like a hiccup. Well, wait, no, I did find a error in like the second run of a project, but never in like the third. All right, an hour and 18 minutes for that. I mean, a little less because I spent a little bit of time looking at a previous thing, but whatever. Could not control the fact that Cool Dad was arrested and jailed. Oh, goody. Yeah, that hurts. I got this undocumented instruction like a little while ago. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Oh, shit. Fucking shit. Okay. That's what I meant by undocumented instruction. I don't know. Alright. P-R-I-R-I. What is P? A pulse. Oh. Oh boy. Well, this is good to know. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to use this at conditional for, but I'll find a use. This could be fucking cool, though. Okay. Oh, man. I just want to take another look. What was the final one? I guess this one. Still one verified. No, this doesn't use pulses anywhere. Which one was this? Game controller. I don't think that had a pulse either. Okay. Let's copy that. Oh, that's weird. This doesn't tell me how many parts it has unless it's unverified. Alright, so instead of... Okay, so this is only going to save me like a line of text. Right? Because if the thing, then gen P1 100. Wait. I have to specify which pin it is, right? I don't know how it works. Gen PXY. Oh, I don't need to tell it 100. I just specify the pin and then the 2 durations to sleep for. Was that this thing? Which design is this? Yeah, okay. Slightly better with the lines of code. It's 8 lines instead of 10 lines. So yeah, it's still, like I said, it didn't save me much. Because I needed to add that last command in there just in case it didn't have the thing, but whatever. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.